Okay guys, we're looking at a variation on the rolling armbar here. So quick. Control your opponent's sleeve on the same side. Controlling on the back. Placing my weight, jumping over, getting my one hook in. Same side, I've got the hook in. Reach through, using all the fingers here. Reach through, grab the sleeve on the side here. Once I've got control, nice and low on my opponent, I'm going to step over, control that arm, keep it nice and tight, use my hand out for the base. The foot on the inside has to slide through so I can get the roll on the same shoulder. As I start rolling, I kick this leg out here to roll my opponent over and then switch over into the armbar. Okay, once again. So just 2 pointers here that I'd like you to